So Stalkerware is a commercially available application that abusers use to monitor and track their victims, and they are usually installed without the victim's consent. Different Stalkerware variants have varying sets of capabilities. Some examples of those are they could track the victim's location in real time. They could also gain access through the call logs, go through their messages, and even control their camera or microphone. This way, the abusers can also view the victim's surroundings, watch what they're doing, and also turn their phones into listening devices. In the app stores, they are sold as employee tracking solutions, anti-theft, parental control, or family tracking. And these are legitimate use cases, but the issue here is that these applications are designed to hide and trick the victims into thinking that no one is watching them, or there's nothing insidious or intrusive installed on their devices. These applications are installed usually by gaining physical access to the device. So this shows us that the main difference between Stalkerware with malware is that Stalkerware are installed by someone who is close to the victim. They could be the victim's partner, parents, siblings, or supposed friends. And these relationships makes it easier for the abusers to gain access to the target device, or they could even already have some idea on the victim's accounts. So there are some actually easy steps to identify if you have Stalkerware on your device. One is by just looking into the settings. In Android, there are these device admin applications list, where these applications usually contains more permissions to give the Stalkerware more capabilities for monitoring you. And if you think on that list there is some application that you don't remember installing, then that is like an indicator that Stalkerware is on your device. And also check for permissions if there are applications maybe called battery saver or system utility, but they have permissions on your calls, on your camera, or on your location, then that is also a bad sign. If you suspect that you have Stalkerware on your device, it is good to also visit stopstalkerware.org. It is the Coalition Against Stalkerware website where it has a lot of resources for you to learn how to properly identify if your device has Stalkerware, and how to also learn how to protect yourself against this threat.